What's up guys, Jury here, and this is a quick review for Getresponse email marketing services. So basically I tested only their email marketing service automation and landing pages, but as you can see they got webinars, different different options for business websites, and they come. So in my opinion, if you can start by using their trial and test their service by yourself, it's highly recommended. You will see how everything works. For myself, I was using Getresponse for more than 1 year, and when my email database grow up, they start charging me much more. So I decided to move to not completely to move, but now I'm trying to split holding one email database in Getresponse and one another in Mailgun. I will put all links in video description so you can check both services. And both got a trial version, so you can try by yourself and make your own decision. Getresponse, if we will compare programs like Getresponse, Mailchimp, and any other as well, I think Getresponse will be perfect for beginners, for people who do not have any experience in coding, programming, because Getresponse got easy to navigate menu, and it's everything is easy to understand where you should click, how to create this automation. They have templates. So for example, if you want to create landing page, you can select they got a really huge database of templates, so you can select template what will suit to your business. For example, weddings, maybe some accounting business, I don't know, any type of theme you can find in their landing pages templates. So there are a lot of templates. Their web forms are easy to create, so they also got different templates of web forms, and you can select if you would like this double opt-in option or not. The most interesting what I have found in Getresponse, it's their autoresponder. So it also got different templates, easy to understand, and you can program, not program, but you can select. There is such calendar with options, so you can create by using again templates what type of email people will receive automatically when they will fill a sign up form, for example. Also, they got this Getresponse API. This is for example, you got WordPress website and you would like to you have already web form created, and when for example somebody will fill on your website contact form, this you want to put this email in Getresponse database in your email list. So with using this API and with WordPress plugin together, you can collect emails from your website and move to the Getresponse email list. And automatically, by using autoresponders, you can start sending emails fully on autopilot. So it's a really great feature. I especially like this. So if you do not have any experience with email marketing or with with autoresponders. Uh, I'm sure you should register on Getresponse and try it for free. Just simply click on the link below and you'll be redirected to their trial version. So you'll be able to test this service, and I'm sure you will like it because they also have mm, online support what will can help you anytime they speak any language. Uh, I think they speak English, Russian, even Chinese. So you can try. If you got any questions, you can simply ask them. Uh, so this is how it works, like, guys. And yes, of course, if you got some experience with autoresponders, you can try also Mailchimp. It's cheaper, but I have tried both, and I like Getresponse because they got already. You do not need to spend time to create these emails and it come, because you simply select template what you like and you are ready to go. You can start the step. So this why was the only reason why I like Getresponse more than Mailchimp. So also there are some coupon codes with discounts. I will put all links in video description below, so make sure to check them, and I hope this video was helpful for you. So have a nice day. Bye.